As battery power and robotics continue to grow in acceptance, I hear more and more dealers who are concerned about the future of their service department and the impact that technical advances will have on their bottom line. I'm Bob Clements, and if you're concerned about the future of service and how it will impact your dealership, I'd like to encourage you to join me as I share the good news that service will be in greater demand and technology will be the cultural driver that makes your constant search for good technicians a past memory. I want to encourage you to join me at this year's GIE+Expo as we look at the future of your dealership's service department, and I share specific ways you can be ready to take advantage of a bright and profitable future.